Just 2 tickets?
Yeah, so you should have admission and rodeo.
Words. Do you know the word?
Steel and copper, they're just getting used to being at the fair, so they're ready to go next year, and we'll just keep going with the big teams. We're going to have Bobby Joe Wooden up next, driving the log skidding course with a team of Percherons of Joyce's.
Why? Well, one of the major reasons is the fact that this is the SMS Pro Tour Finale. Saturday night, and let's crank them. We can tell her she would win Pool B by posting the fastest run that we have seen all week. Armstrong, the louder you cheer, the faster she goes. But let's go to British Columbia. Pamela Morrison is on course in her phenomenal horse that she calls Diamond. A champion in Cloverdale wants to be a champion in Armstrong. Everybody turn it up. Around from Camarines, I want you to watch this big bay horse turn. I mean, snaps around that rail. You ready? Let's turn it up. Deeds, Milo, Alberto, line out, Crystal. There's a big strong look. Wants to be great tonight. Wants to be great tonight. Keep going. The sheer power, the sheer magnitude of another ranch race bucking horse from the Stampede firm. Sam Birch, I've been doing air stuff tonight with a Canadian champion bucking horse, and I can tell you this much, 87 1/4. We're going to say unofficial a few times tonight. Tanner Lyman, Canadian champion. Oh, yes he did. Oh, beats us to the punch, the two-time Canadian champion, Tanner Mylan. I missed an opportunity to brag. Get it up. Whoa! Canadian champion horse Peso. Came through the wild card last night, but he wants to be a champion here on Saturday. He's got it happening. 7.9. Oh, we gotta make it official. Everybody is holding their breath tonight. Everybody was holding their breath tonight. If there was any way from the Calgary Stampede, somebody scream at him! That man is absolutely amazing. A career